So today I'm going to be showing you how to do nose hooping. So there are two ways into this. So way number one, we're going to start from the neck, and what we're going to do is we're going to get the hoop up to just where the below of our nose is. And I'm going to refer to this as a moustache, okay? So it's on our neck, and we're looking for the gap at the front. And when we see the gap, we're going to poke our chin in and let the hoop scoot up just to where that moustache point is. Yeah, so from the side, looking for the gap. Once we're at this point, what you're going to do is the hoop's going to be here, and you're going to tip your head back. And as you tip your head back, the hoop is going to be on your nose. You're then going to be pushing with your nose. So from the side, we scoot it up to that moustache point, and we tip back. Now I'm pushing into the hoop and keeping this bottom bit nice and strong, and I'm just pushing my nose. I'm not pushing my head, but my nose. So if you look at me from this angle, you'll see I'm kind of going side to side a bit like a zombie. Okay, and that helps give it that push, because you just want the push to be coming from here. If you start to move your neck or your head, as we know, the hoop's going to go there, and we want it to stay here. So we tip back, but we don't tip all the way back so it flies off. We just push our head back like that, almost like it's on a hinge, so we just go back, and then we are pushing with our nose into the hoop, kind of feeling it, doing this side to side kind of bob as you kind of go. So I'm just kind of doing this sway. So I'll show you again, from the neck to moustache to the nose. Now there is another way to do this, and that's going from a lasso point. I personally think it's a little bit more tricky, but everybody's different. So way number two, from a lasso, you're going to put your head back, and you're going to bring your finger to your nose and place the hoop on your nose. So head goes back, and I put the hoop on my nose. And the point where I kind of put it, I come a little bit closer for you. Just bend it over a bit. There we go. So head is back, and I put it on to the nose. I hope that you get something out of this trick. It's quite Halloween-y as well, I think, because it's got those kind of moves to it. It's a bit, and you're doing that kind of, you kind of get some movement with it. You can move your legs as well, so the more you kind of get confident with it, you can kind of walk with it as well. And you can go into like a bunch of tricks from here as well. You can go onto your elbows or whatever you want, you figure it out. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and I'd love to see what you do with it. Thank you.